Okay, I just steamed some wafer paper to make it more flexible, but I wanted to show you about these leaves. These are just wafer paper leaves. Same thing. I sell these when I cut these out and they're flat. And I've had some people ask, can you steam them for me? Because I think some people do sell them steamed. It's difficult to mail them if they're all curled up, and they don't keep the shape anyway. So all you have to do if you get these is just to hold these over some steaming water for a little bit, and you can move them to make them more bendy. And see what happens, they'll start to wilt. It's very flexible right now, so you just hold it into the position that you want it in, and when it dries, it'll just have a little bit of a curve to it. So there's really nothing to that. You can do that yourself. Very simple. If you're putting these on a wedding cake or a birthday cake or something, it just gives it a little more movement. It makes them look a little more realistic. See? And now it looks more like a real leaf instead of just a flat leaf. So very simple tip, easy to do, and takes about 30 seconds and you're done.